Does anyone else have trouble with elevating your casual style? Instead of wearing the jeans all the time or a pair of leggings with a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, and you just want to feel a little dressed up? Well, I'm hoping that maybe something in here will do that for me. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Transcend unboxing and try on. I lost my train of thought. Senior moment, what can I say? No excuses. I actually ordered a themed box and it's the weekend getaway. And I thought this might be a perfect way to elevate my style for casual that I can just be comfortable in for everyday wear. And if I'm going out, that I could dress it up. So let's see what I received in my box. And I will do a quick try on. It looks like there's only 2 outfits in here. So let's start with these pants. These are, I think these are, yes, they are Sweaty Betty. And I'll tell you, I love Sweaty Betty. These feel pretty nice. They're on the thinner side. They look like, I don't know, they look like they're straight legs, no pockets in the back, stretch waist with the tie. So give those a try. They feel nice. And you guys who have followed me know that I love Sweaty Betty. They're on the pricier side, but they're well worth their money. And then I received this cloth white top by Cloth and Paper. It's a nice, easy to wear top. You can dress it up, dress it down. It does unbutton all the way down. I have a cami on underneath it because I like to wear it a little more unbuttoned without revealing too much. Let's see, it has the point collar, the rolled sleeves. It is a tie in the front, and I will untie it and show it to you in a minute, but I want to show you the fabric. It is a tencel fabric. It's got kind of like, I don't know what you call that. It's like a little wave to it almost. It's nice and light. This will be really nice when it gets really hot out. This rolled sleeve is attached. It's a nice top. It's a little longer in the back. I am wearing a size small. Okay, I'm not a fan of the ties in the front. I just don't want to kind of bring attention to that area. And this top, actually, I don't think it goes with these pants, but I wanted to put this together and just show you. So see, you can't wear it untied. It would look a lot better with the pants if I were to tuck this in, which, you know, maybe you could if you kind of position it correctly. But every time you go to the restroom, that could be a pain. So I don't know, it's a cute top. See, it would look so much better without the tie. Did I tell you I'm wearing a size small? It's $88, but since someone used my referral link, thank you so much. I received 20% off anything that I purchased from this box, and you also received 20% off anything that you purchased from your box. So, you know, you get a sale sent to your home. Automatic. So that's really nice. So if there's anything that you see that I have shown you or anything on their website, order a box, have it sent to you, you know, styling fees, $20, gets applied to anything that you keep, and shipping is free both ways, which is really nice. Okay, enough of that. All right, see, it's so much nicer tucked in. I like it tucked in. My price for this would be $70. Also, this comes in another color, and I'll put the color up here on the screen so you can see the other color that is available. It's really a nice, easy, lightweight top. All right, let's talk about these pants. These are the Sweaty Betty 25-inch Explorer trouser that I'm wearing. They have a elastic waist with the tie, which I didn't tie this. Actually, for me, I don't really need to. I'm wearing a size medium. Pockets, which I love. It's a really nice material. It's 100% recycled polyester is what the tag says. They're lightweight. They feel like they might be kind of like that wicking material, but it doesn't say that. Let's see. Length is 25. It does come in a 27-inch length, which I would probably like better. $118, but that's Sweaty Betty. What can I say? Sweaty Betty. My price would be $94. I think I would like them better in a longer length. And then that way, I mean, you can dress them up, dress them down. You know, you can put some heels on. I have some tennis shoes on, put a t-shirt on, make a cute outfit. All right, let's see what's next. I have one more outfit for you. I have a pair of pants, a shirt, and a jacket. Yeah, a jacket. A nice jacket. But let's start with the pants. The pants, they feel like a linen. They have the pocket on the side. They look like a jogger. They have the, is that considered a jogger with the elastic around the ankle? That's going to be interesting to see how these feel. They're really nice, kind of like a taupe color and a zipper button. So we'll give these a try. These are a size 30, so she did size me up. And a t-shirt to go with it, which would look good with these pants also. The Retro Rainbow Tee by Suburban Riot. It's $38. My price with the 20% discount would be $38. It really fits nice. I'm wearing a size small, and I don't think I mentioned I'm 5'3" for reference. It's really a nice shirt. It's not too thin, and it's not thick. It actually feels really nice. I was surprised at the price. I thought it was a more expensive tee. It has the different color, kind of like a mustard color around the neck and around the sleeve. Cute rainbow. The sun had come out for a few minutes. Looks like it might still be a little brighter. Yep, here it comes. Here's the rainbow. It's cute. It's a nice length. It's nice. It's the least expensive item in my box. If I want to get my $20 back, this would be the thing to keep. And maybe that's what I'll end up doing, but we'll see. All right, let's talk about these pants I have on. Okay, these are by evereve. They are the Tessa Cargo Pants, and I'm wearing, the color is called Sand Castle. I am wearing a size 30. So let me back up. It's nice. It has the, I don't know what they call these big square pockets in the front. They are slanted, which is nice because they don't pucker. It has the pockets on the side. It's got two buttons, one on each side, pockets in the back. For them being an ankle, I mean, they call these cargo pants, but to me they feel like joggers for some reason. But the elastic on the bottom isn't too tight. I don't know, they're really cute. I don't know if they're worth, how much are they? Ooh, okay. They're $148. For this girl, no, not for $148. My price would be $118. We've got one more item, and that is a jacket. And I want to let you know, I am going to leave links to everything down below. Then you can kind of look a little bit more at the fabric, the sizing, and things like that. So I'll leave all that information down below for you. So let's look at this last item. This is by Sweaty Betty. I love Sweaty Betty. The quality is amazing. All right, this is the jacket. And I have to admit, I'm not sure what to do with this, and I'm going to explain to you in a minute. This jacket's $178. I am wearing a size small. They just call it a pullover, and this is a tulip red. Love the color. So let's see what it's got going on. I don't know what this is all about here. I guess it's to keep you warm, maybe when you're walking or after a workout. It does have a hood, which is nice to keep you dry. Yeah, it's kind of like that material, although this is different. This material on the sleeves is different. I'll have to look see what it is. But then you've got, if it rains, you're protected. It's got the pocket up here that is Velcro. So if you're walking, it zips also. I'm a hot mess. So that's nice for added protection. Maybe it folds up into the pocket. I don't know. But if you're carrying some extra things, you could put them in there, zip them up. This thing is kind of like, what is going on with this? There are some drawstrings here. So you could tighten it, I guess. I don't know, you guys. I guess that's for the hood, but this is just kind of weird. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. What can I say? This throws me off. If it wasn't for this, I would be in love with this thing. It's nice because the sleeves, you can make them tighter with the cold. My grandson plays football in the fall, so this would help keep my arms warm, my neck, yeah. Keep the wind off of you. My other grandson's gonna be playing outdoor soccer, I think, in the fall. And I am not a cold weather girl. I mean, I like it, but this is throwing me off. You can tighten it on the side. Again, I don't know. This one is just really throwing me off. I mean, my price would be $142. I don't think so. This one's gonna be a definite no. All right, I'm a hot mess from this jacket, but I wanna give you a close-up of some of these items. See this? It's a nice thick material. And then some of it is the like rain, to protect you from the rain, from moisture. So I don't know, it's cute. I don't need to know what all these gadgets on here do because this is definitely a no, especially for the price. Even on sale, that neck thing just confuses me. Here's the cloth and stone white top. Give you a little bit better look at the fabric. Well, it's all wrinkled now. Well, it's gonna wrinkle anyways, probably. And the Sweaty Betty pants. These are really nice. I know it's hard to tell with black. But you'll be able to see them better online. They're nice, but they're no. I think the only thing that I might keep, you know, we have the cargo pants. I kind of like them, but I don't love them, especially for the price. I might just keep this tee. Because, I mean, even if I just wear it around the house, I mean, my price is $30. I had $20 styling fee, so it cost me, you know, I either lose my $20 or I spend it and I spend an extra $10. And I wear t-shirts. T-shirts, I sleep in t-shirts. I usually sleep in oversized t-shirts. I'm not a pajama girl, but give me a nice kind of like long t-shirt. I'm comfortable. So that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm not sure why I only got a few items, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. So if anyone would like to try Transcend, I'll leave my referral link down below. We will both receive 20% off if you use my link. And if you do, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.